Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Baby Doge Coin in Trust Wallet. In order to do so, you first have to launch your Trust Wallet mobile application and then you need to provide your passcode in order to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, on the home page, you are going to see this plus tab in the top right hand corner of the screen. So simply need to tap on this plus tab and over here in the search bar, you need to search for Baby Doge. Now once you type Baby Doge, you will be able to see Baby Doge Coin in front of you, and right next to it you are going to see this toggle button. So you need to turn on this toggle button and then you will have to come to the home page again. Once you do this, if you scroll down, you are going to see Baby Doge Coin on the home screen. So you need to tap on it and over here you are going to see 4 different options such as send, receive, buy and swap. So over here, in order to purchase Baby Doge Coin, you need to tap on buy. After that, you need to enter the amount in USDT in order to purchase the Baby Doge Coin. Then in the bottom, it will show you the payment methods such as you can pay with credit card, debit card and some other methods. So you just have to select the method that best suits you. For this video, I'm going to select it as credit card. So if you have selected the same, then you will have to tap on buy with credit card. And after waiting for some time, you will be redirected on this simplex.com page where you need to fill out your credit card details such as your credit card number, its expiration date, CVV and your name on card. After that, you need to tick these boxes and then you need to press next. On the next page, you need to follow further on-screen instructions and you need to conclude your payment, and this way you will be able to easily purchase Baby Doge Coin in Trust Wallet. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.